In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create QR code for PDF file. So first of all, go google.com, then type our PDF to QR code. So I want to use first link. Just click on here, then upload PDF file. Just click on menu, then select your PDF file. So this is a 2 MB. So if you want to write a name, so I want to type book, category optional, so I select any one for example only. So customizable and download QR code. Just so you can see this is my QR code. So if I want to download it's PNG, JPG, PDF, SVG, etc, etc. So if you want to customizable this one, so easy transfer one, this one, happy birthday, this one, and this one. Oh, this is really attractive. So if you want to use color code, here are also available lots of template, sharpen color, logo. If you want to use a logo, here are available my template. So I don't need this one, this service. Just click on download QR code. So you can see, just open it. Okay, you can see this is my QR code. If someone scan this QR code, they are going to PDF file easily. So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.